Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back. I just want to welcome you and encourage you to continue watching these videos. I really hope that they're helping you. Today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on locating an integer on a number line. And this lesson is based off of what we've been learning in these previous videos. So we've already learned how it is that we represent a fraction on a number line. And now we're just going to be working a little bit backwards. We're going to be given a point and we have to figure out what fraction is being represented by this point, okay? So the very first thing that I'm going to ask you guys to do, or the very first thing that I would do, would be to find out how many spaces are in between my whole numbers. So we're starting off at 0 here, and we're going to 1. And I want us to count all of the spaces. Now we got to be careful, not the lines. The spaces that are in between these two whole numbers. So starting with the very first one, we got one space there. Do you guys see that space? It's a little bit big, but we got one space right here. You guys see that? And then we have another space right here. That's 2. And we've got 3. And then we've got 4. So there's 4 spaces between our whole number. Let's count them again. Again, this is 1. You guys see that? 1, 2, 3. And 4. So if there's 4 spaces between our whole numbers, that means that every single line represents 1/4. So this would be 1/4. So now here would be 2/4. Then this would be 3/4. And what do you guys think this is going to be over here? 4/4. You got it. 4/4, or that would be the same as a whole, right? And if we're talking about decimals, that would be 1/4, which is the same as 0.25. 25 cents. 2/4 is 50 cents. 3/4, that's 75 cents. And 4/4, same as $1. Okay? Now, if we're moving to the left of the 0, if this is 1/4, then the opposite would be -1/4. And this would be -2/4. So it'd be -3/4, then -4/4, or 1/2. And again, I just want you guys to notice that even to the left of the 0, we have 4 equal spaces in between our whole numbers 0 and 1. Let's go ahead and count them. That would be 1. Then we've got 2. Then over here we've got 3. Then we've got 4. Then here's our whole number. So every single line represents a 4th. Okay? So in decimal form, this would be negative, same as 1/4, -0.25. We just got to put a negative sign because we're in the left of the 0. This would be 2/4, -50. What do you guys think this would be over here? You guys got it, -75. And over here it would be -$1. So to answer this question, which of the following best represents a point on the number line? We could say that this point is represented by -2/4, which is the same as -1/2, or -0.50. So any of these 3 could be your answer. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and ask me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much. We'll see you next time.